Ka office jong ka block development officer BDO omling CNRD block lengba ka scheme Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan RGSA menta ka sngi klasa me ki live huwaitli ki core computer she ki live huwaitli ki area employment council AEC ki bahab hapo kanong po constituency kumshi benta ban pen klanya ka rukam trekam jong ki Shnong bat ki bor penyat Shnong. Ya kini ki core computer la IT da UMLA kanong po constituency ba Middle Bonds aim ha ka jinga dan lang ka Srimati Lal Chandami Marak JRDO ka umling CNRD block rengkat bat ki officer ki Jingtrei jong ka block bat ki rang ba Shnong na ki Shnong ba pher jong ka constituency. Ka RGSA kedai ka scheme bala bay tengka da ka sorkar pedeng lengba ka Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Ka batmu ban pen klanya ka Jingtrei kam jong ki Shnong bat ki dor bar Shnong knang ba kin la ban pen tre kam khambha ya ki scheme ba pher jong ka sorkar jela bat ka sorkar pedeng. Ka scheme ka tmuru ban kentiu ya ka roy ka pa ha ki than nong kendong bat ban kershan ya ki Shnong ba kin kenjo she ki thong jong ka Sustainable Development Goals SDGs. Ha kani ka program la sa me ki core computer she ki live huwaitli ki AEC ki ba kudup ya bon tli ki Shnong hapo ka nopo constituency. Kini ki core computer kin long ki jingerap ki ba kraw ya ki Shnong ha ka ba ki nyo ban penyat ya ki kam Shnong kam thau bat ban pentulun ru ya ki kam penroi kat kum ka jingtmu jong ka scheme RGSA.